there's this whole new world where we couldn't do things efficiently before that have to do with files. So modern AI is really, really good at processing documents, images, PDFs, things that were like really, really challenging to deal with before. And so, for example, like imagine in a manufacturing company, your customer is going to email you an order form document, right? You're going to then maybe you're going to deal with that order, right, manually. Then you might build a product specification file that you have somewhere. You might have a user manual that you have a document. You might invoice them using a document, send them a paper invoice, right? All of these things are in place because there was no easy way to bring those into like an IT ecosystem and embed them with the rest of your IT because of those files. Where our real focus is right now is we can automate using numerous options within the AI ecosystem. We can automate all of those files to take action, understand what's in them, and then completely innovate like the way that we interoperate with those files. And that's really where I want to focus our efforts is opening up that because it's net new to the world as opposed to just like a repeat.